Alright, so we are now getting ready to mount these surreal purple Vorstiner wheels. We already have one on the tire, and it looks freaking crazy. It doesn't look real.
Yeah, it doesn't look like Haywood. Okay.
Have you seen these wheels, Sean?
I mean, I see them. They're real, though. They're not surreal. They're...
I wasn't sure if the coronavirus affected your vision or not.
They look pretty crazy, though. I'm not gonna lie. What are they going on? I feel like it's...
GTR? That looks so cool. We have an Lexus, I don't even know what this is.
RX350.
We have a Lexus RX 350 in today. We're tinting the windows right now. Sean, I didn't know you were a Lexus boy.
Oh, I'm an everything boy.
You're a boy is what you are.
You boy.
Sean is doing his finishing touches. Actually, no, he's not. He's still working on it, as you can tell. It's still chrome there, but we're almost done with this Model X. Dude, there's nothing on here that's any other color besides black and red because of the caliber.
This is not sporty. Stop it. Murdered out.
This is racy.
Racy now?
This is
what you're going with?
This
I told you. Use
this is very Nürburgring.
Murdered. Nürburgring? Wait. What? Does it have a big wing? No.
No. This looks very stealthy.
I'll agree with that one.
When did you start wearing a headlamp on your head?
When I couldn't see. You can now see everything.
I can't tell if Sean is actually wrapping something or is he mining, digging for some gold.
We got one, boys!
Finally, he found a career that he could be decent at.
Oh, is that right?
Sean, I left you here like 2 or 3 hours ago, and you're
definitely did not.
And you're still on the first one.
I'm on the second one. Joke's on you.
That was Punta Cana.
Punta Cana? It was really good. Actually, check me out. Just living life.
Where'd you go?
Where?
Punta Cana. Just living life.
That is so. What the f are you doing?
Bro, he's just jelly, bro.
That looked photoshopped as hell, bro. It's like
It's
you.
real.
It looks like you and like a fake background setting. That looks like.
Hey, that's pretty good. Dude, I want a slingshot too.
How did you drive it?
How did I drive it? Yeah. My dad.
Haywood can't say anything either because he stalls all stuff.
Dude, I can drive in a parking lot.
You tried driving the Miata and you stalled it. Oh, no, sorry. That was Will.
Say sorry.
I'm sorry. That was Will. You're right here.
Equinox, bro.
I'm excited to show you this Model X. We're finally done with it, and it looks freaking cool. This has to be as blacked out as it gets. Tell me this does not look mean.
Sick.
So first things first, guys, we tinted the windows, all the windows on this Model X, sides, back, front windshield in PhotoSync RD, so it blocks an insane amount of heat. And here's the inside view of the front windshield, the sides, and the back. And there's the sunroof as well. Next thing we did was the chrome delete all the way around. Fog light strips, the T logos front and rear, window trims, mirrors, fender badges, door handles, trunk strip, all done satin black so it matches with the wrap. Full vehicle Satin Guard wrap. So the car was originally gloss black, normal standard factory paint, and now it's this satin matte translucent black. Not only does it change the color, but it also protects the paint against rock chips and scratches, so it's like a 2-in-1. So from this angle you guys kind of see that tri-tone effect. So right here is that translucent effect, whereas right here is more satin, and right here is more matte. You get that really cool dimensional detailed look to it. And when I shift angles, you'll notice that the translucent kind of shifts into the satin and matte finish. What do you guys think? You like it? Let me know in the comments down below. I want to hear your thoughts on this. You guys installing something? Or no? What are you guys doing? Some of the pieces for the Model 3 have already come in, so we're gonna install them as we go. Today we're gonna be installing the Vorstiner Volta front lip spoiler. Dustin, I really honestly feel like you want coronavirus. I think if I peeled you deep down into your inner onion core, there's a part of you in your little seed that says, I want coronavirus.
Yeah. Lined up pretty well.
You got it, Dustin?
Sure.
You need daddy to come in and help you?
Sure.
What?
I'm good on my side.
Turns out we're also going to be doing the rear spoiler as well, so let's get to it. So we have to take off the OEM rear spoiler right now before we put the new one on.
I'm sure you're vlogging all this, right?
No, I haven't been vlogging.
Oh, you're vlogging.
Like, right in. Alright, here we go.
Yeah, looks good. One final touch.
It didn't work.
Done with the front lip spoiler, let me show you what it looks like. We had this crazy pollen invasion for the past 2 days here in Houston, so bear with me on the dirtiness. We're gonna get that cleaned up later on, but I just want to show you guys what it looks like right now because I'm really excited. All the Model 3s we've done as of today have been white Model 3s with the Vorstiner kit, so this is our first one that's black. It looks really nice, and it definitely has a different look to it because since the car is black, it doesn't stand out as much as like a white car would, so it's much more subtle. Still looks really aggressive, and it looks really track oriented. Here's a side profile just to show you guys how much much it sticks out. Fitment with Vorstiner is always pretty good on point, so we never have to worry about that. And their parts are always nice and thick.
I like that.
I've seen some carbon fiber pieces that are so thin that they literally look like they would just break off. And here's what the rear spoiler looks like. This rear spoiler is super aggressive. It's much wider, much more of a presence than the OEM one, but because it's on a black car, it honestly blends in a lot better and doesn't look as crazy as you would think like on a white Model 3 or any other color. Here's what it looks like from the rear straight on, and here's what it looks like from the side. So we're not done with it yet. We're still waiting on the side skirts, we're still waiting on the rear diffuser to come in. So once those come in, we'll put those on as well, and then we'll show you the entire car once it's done. That's it for the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. We want to work on your cars, so hit us up. Hit us up! Our contact info is in the description down below. If you want to keep watching our channel, first of all, you're awesome. And second of all, I have this video here that I think you might like. So check it out. Make sure you like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.
I think Raul is about to be a bartender.
Bartending, you can make really good tips, bro. And I got really good memory, so I can memorize all the drinks.
Not a bad idea.
Make really good tips.
It just seems like we're missing a lot though.
Also, besides that.
No. I mean like...
Man! You got